When we talk about space, most people imagine planets, stars, and galaxies shining peacefully in the dark. Everything we've ever known, Earth, the Sun, every planet, every human achievement, exists inside a fragile bubble called the solar system. And beyond it lies a universe that does not care whether we exist or not. At the outer edge of our solar system, far beyond the warmth of the sun, the light grows weak and distorted. Time itself begins to feel meaningless. This is where gravity loosens its grip, where the sun's influence slowly fades into nothing. Here, ancient icy objects drift silently, remnants from the birth of our star system. Untouched for billions of years. This boundary is not marked by a wall or a sign. It is marked by isolation. Cross it, and you are no longer protected. You are alone in interstellar space. Interstellar space is often imagined as empty, but emptiness is an illusion. It is filled with invisible dangers, high-energy radiation, violent particle storms, magnetic fields twisting through the darkness. A single grain of dust, traveling at extreme speeds, could tear through a spacecraft like a bullet. There is no sound, no warning, no mercy, only endless motion through cold darkness. Somewhere in this void, human technology drifts silently. The Voyager probes, tiny machines launched decades ago, continue their journey into the unknown, carrying whispers of humanity on golden records. They may outlive Earth itself. Long after our cities crumble and our oceans dry up, these machines will still travel, passing through regions where no human will ever stand. Beyond this dark ocean lie other stars. Each one is a sun, burning with unimaginable energy. Around many of them orbit planets, worlds completely alien to anything we know. Some are scorched hellscapes where molten rock flows like water. Others are frozen spheres, drifting endlessly through blackness. There are planets with violent storms that never end, winds faster than sound, and skies thick with poisonous clouds. But there are also worlds that haunt scientists the most. Planets that look disturbingly familiar. Rocky, Earth-sized, orbiting at just the right distance from their stars. Worlds where liquid water could exist. Worlds that raise a terrifying question humanity has avoided for centuries. If life could exist there, then why wouldn't it? Somewhere beyond our solar system, there may be oceans reflecting alien suns. There may be skies filled with unfamiliar constellations. There may be civilizations that rose, evolved, and vanished long before Earth ever formed. Or worse, civilizations that still exist, watching the universe quietly, unseen. Yet the universe is not a gentle place. Stars are born violently, and they die violently. When massive stars reach the end of their lives, they do not fade away peacefully. They explode. Supernovas release more energy in seconds than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. These explosions scatter heavy elements across space, the same elements that make up our bodies. In a very real sense, we are made from the ashes of dead stars. Some stars do not explode, they collapse. Gravity crushes them into objects so dense that the laws of physics begin to fail. Neutron stars spin at impossible speeds, emitting radiation like cosmic beacons. And then there are black holes, regions of space where gravity becomes absolute, where time slows, where space folds inward, where nothing escapes. They sit silently at the centers of galaxies, including our own, invisible, patient, bending reality itself. If one were to wander too close to our solar system, the damage would be irreversible. Earth would not explode. It would be stretched, torn apart, and erased from existence without a sound. Our solar system is located inside the Milky Way, a vast spiral galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars. Traveling at the speed of light, it would take over 100,000 years just to cross it. And yet, the Milky Way is insignificant on a cosmic scale. It is only one galaxy among trillions. Between galaxies lie enormous regions of near total darkness called cosmic voids. These are some of the emptiest places in the universe, where even atoms are rare. They stretch across unimaginable distances, making galaxies look like isolated islands in an endless sea of nothingness. And still, this is not the end. The farther we look, the closer we come to the edge of what we can observe. Not because the universe ends there, but because light from beyond has not yet had time to reach us. The universe is expanding, faster and faster. Galaxies are being pulled away from each other, disappearing beyond our reach forever. And then comes the most disturbing realization of all. Everything we see, stars, planets, galaxies, nebulae, makes up only a tiny fraction of reality. Most of the universe is invisible. Dark matter and dark energy dominate existence. They shape galaxies, control cosmic motion, and drive the expansion of the universe itself. We cannot see them. We cannot touch them. We barely understand them. And yet, without them, the universe as we know it would not exist. This means that what lies beyond our solar system is not just unknown space. It is a universe mostly made of things we do not understand. Forces beyond human comprehension, structures larger than imagination, possibilities both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Humanity stands at the edge of this vast darkness, looking outward with curiosity and fear. We send signals into space, hoping someone might hear us. But we rarely ask the more unsettling question: what if someone already has? Civilizations could have risen and fallen countless times. Some may have destroyed themselves. Some may have evolved beyond physical form. Some may have learned to remain silent, hidden in the shadows between stars. Beyond our solar system lies not just distance, but time. Deep time, ancient time. A reminder that we are newcomers in a universe that has seen more than we ever will. And as we continue to explore, one truth becomes impossible to ignore. The universe is not empty. It is not quiet. And it is not waiting for us. It is vast. It is mysterious. And it is watching in ways we may never understand.